what are your hobbies?
Okay, sir, about my hobbies, I love playing basketball and badminton. Apart from that, I also enjoy track events in which I won various medals, including gold medals, throughout my college and my school. Apart from that, I'm an avid reader, and I was also a writer for my college magazine, namely the Olive Media. Particularly in 2018, I was also in the editing team. Apart from that, I love listening to music, and recently my sister got a new instrument called the ukulele, which fascinated me so much. I'm trying to learn it, but I think I haven't been successful. But I will keep on trying. Thank you, sir.
Okay. How are you feeling with PD classes, doctor?
I am loving it, sir. A little nervous I was in the beginning, but other than that, I'm loving it. I think that the experience has been wonderful. I personally felt the growth in me after the first session only. The feedback has been very honest, and I think it's the best candidate can have. Thank you, sir.
And doctor, tomorrow we are going to discuss and give you medical topics. And
Okay, sir.
before give you medical topics, we take a short interview, which is confidential between us.
Okay, sir.
Nobody can see that interview. And in that interview,
Okay,
we
sir.
give you an open challenge to attain 50% marks. All questions will be AMC based and totally medical, clinical.
Okay, okay, sir.
And that is confidential. Then I
Okay,
will give you my topics, medical, what you are supposed to prepare. But till yet,
okay,
we
sir.
have gone with body language, mock interview,
Yes,
professional
sir.
questions, introduction. Which is your favorite
Yes,
class?
sir. I feel my favorite class was about body language. I have never had this much doubts about the way I walk, the way I talk, because I haven't had a grooming class before this. So getting to know that, okay, the way I normally sit in my day-to-day life might not be the correct way to do so. And I feel that this grooming class, it's going to help me not just for this interview, but for further classes that I might attend and for further interviews that I go to. So it's been a very great learning experience.
Great. And Naya, you are one of my best student. First
Thank
of
you,
all,
sir.
it is my duty to make your selection in this interview.
Thank
In
you, sir.
further of your life also, if you get any, avail any interview, you must intimate
Yes,
me.
sir.
I promise you, I will
Definitely,
help
sir.
you. Okay?
Thank you so much, sir.
Now, Naya, we
Thank
are
you.
going with a very interesting thing that is the medical.
Okay.
कल के बाद हम एक नई दुनिया में जा
Okay.
रहे हैं. And you know, medical is
हाँ
an
जी.
ocean. Medical एक बहुत
Yes,
बड़ा
sir.
ocean.
Exactly, sir.
वंस वी एंटर इन इट हमें सब कुछ इनको छोड़ना पड़ेगा, प्रोफेशनल इंट्रोडक्शन सब क्वेश्चंस को एक बार छोड़ना पड़ेगा. तो
हाँ जी.
हमें क्या करना है, कुछ रूल्स है जो हमें फॉलो करनी है. वो रूल्स अगर आप समझ
Okay.
जाओ तो आपको कल के बाद मेडिकल में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी, आपके लिए पीस ऑफ केक हो जाएगा. ओके,
Okay,
तो वो
sir.
रूल्स मैं
Okay,
आपसे
sir.
आज ही शेयर करता हूं ताकि आप समझ जाओ कि आपने कल क्या करना है.
Thank you,
टेल
sir.
अबाउट योर एजुकेशन.
Okay, sir. Thank you for the question. I did my MBBS from Jiangsu University, China, securing 83%, and I attained scholarships in my academic performance.
You
It
did
is
your MBBS, which city of China?
Zhenjiang City, Jiangsu Province.
Okay, what difference you find in India and China education while pursuing your MBBS?
So I feel the education level is more or less the same. The only difference that I found was per se in the practical part. That being said, I feel that in India you cannot do any sort of practicals on animals because of the ban that happened. In China, we were allowed to do so. Before giving the cadavers to us, we were allowed to practice on animals, and that was the only difference that I found. Otherwise, I felt it was more or less the same. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, Dr. Naya, you tell me, why do you want to join army?